Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little bit under the weather this weekend. I am just craving some really good home kind of food, just really comforting food. And I immediately thought of my favorite kimchi croissant recipe ever. And so I wanted to show you guys how I make this amazing little snacky kind of breakfasty thing. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is what I'm actually really craving, but I'm getting something else because I just don't have the ingredients. First, you're gonna fry an egg to your liking. I like mine half cooked, so that's what I've done here. So once your egg is about halfway cooked, put some kimchi on the pan, and this just kind of heats up the kimchi a little bit. Separately, toast your croissant either in a toaster oven or in an actual oven, and then split it up and then spread avocado on like you're spreading butter. So now that the egg and stuff is done, I'll plop that on top along with the kimchi. As for the dressing for this kimchi egg sandwich, drizzle on some mayo and then a little bit of sweet chili sauce as well. Sriracha or sriracha sauce, just a dab of that. And that's it. I know that's a pretty weird combination, but oh my god, you guys need to try it. It is so good. Let me know if you guys do try it out, what you think in the comment section down below, and tag me on Instagram as well if you do end up trying out this recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and of course turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!